From the news desk of NaijaNews TV, here are the headlines. Obasanjo marks 88th birthday. Atiku, Saraki, Ooni Of Ife, Obi Cubana grace dinner party. Rivers Assembly gives Fubara 48 hours to submit 2025 budget. Portable is demonic. Testimony Jaga reveals what he felt after holding artists. Now the news in detail. Former Nigerian President Olusegun Obasanjo commemorated his 80th birthday in grand style on Sunday, March 2nd, 2025. The prestigious event held at the Delbrug Hotel on Victoria Island, Lagos, drew a host of high-profile figures from politics, business, and entertainment. Dignitaries in attendance included former President Goodluck Jonathan and his wife, Patience, and former Vice President Atiku Abubakar. Also present were former Senate President Bukola Saraki, Anambra State Governor Chukwuma Soludo, and the Reverend Ooni Of Ife, Oba Adeyeye Ogunwusi, who graced the occasion with his royal entourage. Adding to the glamour were prominent businessmen such as industrialist Razak Akani Okoye and nightlife entrepreneur Obi Cubana, renowned highlife musician KC along with his brother Imoni, Chief Cubana priest, and other entertainment heavyweights infused the event with vibrancy. Atiku Abubakar, sharing moments from the occasion on X, formerly known as Twitter, expressed appreciation for Obasanjo, his former boss, and described the gathering as an immense celebration. The event, which blended politics, royalty, and entertainment, highlighted the enduring influence of the elder statesman in Nigeria's socio-political landscape. In other news, the Rivers State House of Assembly has given the state governor, Siminalayi Fubara, 48 hours to present the 2025 budget to the lawmakers. The lawmakers made the request during their sitting in Port Harcourt on Monday. On the 2nd of January, Governor Fubara signed 1.1 trillion naira 2025 budget into law after presenting it to lawmakers led by Victor Okojumbo. However, months later, the Supreme Court ruled that Martin Amaewhule and his group were legitimate members of the Rivers State House of Assembly, ending the leadership crisis that had split the House. In their first sitting after the judgment, the lawmakers asked the governor to present the budget, which he had named the Budget of Inclusive Growth and Development. The Supreme Court also ordered the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, to withhold allocations to Rivers State for disobeying court orders. It further nullified the local government elections conducted in the state last year. In response, Fubara directed the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission to conduct fresh local government elections. And lastly for tonight, gospel singer Testimony Jaga has shared his encounter with controversial singer Portable, as he describes him as demonic. Testimony Jaga made this disclosure in a recent episode of the Honest Bunch podcast, where he shared his experience with Portable. According to Testimony Jaga,
later Rihanna, he started abusing us. Since that day, he has not rest. Immediately we come up for there. Whenever everybody shouts, they don't go taking life from Jesus back. People is demonic though. When I hold him, the demon in him started manifesting. Guess what? The bike people were telling us to kill him. He has so much terrorized the people there. He say if they carry people go back, they no go pay them back. They go slap them.
The singer showed signs of demon when he held him. Hence, he concluded that the Afro-pop singer was demonic. Portable is demonic. When I held him, the demons in him started manifesting. Since the day we went to his house and he accepted Jesus, and then later, he reenacted and started abusing us. He hasn't rested since that day. While Testimony Jaga's comment has generated mixed reactions online, we'll continue to supply you more trending news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV. Good night.